Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Diane Deziel and today I'm going to show you a small modification to do to your t-shirt block so you could have a maternity top that fit perfectly. To do your maternity t-shirt, you're going to start with your basic t-shirt block. If you don't have it, it's available on my Etsy boutique named Toolfully. Now if you know you already gain a lot of weight, you might think of grading up your pattern block one size before to do your development for the maternity t-shirt. Now when you're ready, you just retrace your front block because that's the only piece that you have to modify, and you will see that it's quite easy. The first thing you're going to do is just to elongate your top. I would say 4 or 5 centimeters parallel. Then look at the only modification that we will do is just by holding your ruler next to the underarm and pivot to get about 1 centimeter wider at the hip level. Now to ease in your extra that you add at the length, now what you'll need are going to be notches to control where you want the extra length that you add to be. For my sample that I show you, I put my notches at about 13.5 centimeters from the bottom and 9.5 from the underarm. Now on your back block, you're going to keep exactly the same shape and the same length, but you're going to put the same reference from the underarm, so 1 notch right there, and from the bottom, so move the block until the front length and just put your notch. So you will know exactly how much to stretch to assemble them together. Now your pattern is complete. You just have to put your information. So this pattern is going to be cut on fold. So the grain line is parallel. Cut 1 time. Now let's take a closer look at what we've done. We did add, so I'm going to push it towards the side. So you could see that the side seam is completely straight. You could hardly see the little ease in that we did. And the bottom remained completely straight. That's it for today. I hope the video will be helpful. Make sure you watch my next video. I'm showing you how to do the little belly. Thank you for watching and I see you next time.